Hey guys, as promised, we have uploaded a tutorial on unclaimed money. So welcome to the Access Center 2018 Tennessee Unclaimed Money tutorial video. We are going to show you how to maneuver through the Tennessee database and retrieve free money that may be due to you or a family member. If you live in Tennessee or have once resided in Tennessee, you may have unclaimed money that's due to you. There are many videos out here telling you you have unclaimed money, but very few walks you through the process. Money and property goes unclaimed for long periods of time. So what we're going to do is type in Tennessee Treasury website. I did this earlier, but I'm going to just go ahead and type out the entire address. Okay, so you go to the left where it says claim process. Click on the link where it says find property. We're going to click in the box of owner name and we're just going to put banks. I did this earlier so it'll come up. You don't need the property ID number, so we're going to just put in the security challenge. Hope I did that right. Okay, so earlier I clicked on Banks and Associates. I didn't want to do an individual name due to their privacy, so I chose to do a business, so we're going to click on Banks and Associates. And as you can see, holder type is manufacturing. Property type is vendor check. Total amount is $226.34. So it says click the person button if the owner name listed above is a person, estate, or trust. Click the business button if the owner name listed above is a business, even if the business is dissolved or closed. So we're going to click on business. And as you can see, Banks and Associates, the address come up. It says business status. I'm not for sure if the business is active or inactive or acquired or merged business, so we're just going to click inactive. It says here by clicking the I certify box below, you certify that the information you have entered above is true, correct, and complete to the best of your knowledge. So we're going to click I certify. Next. And here it's asking for the claimant's first and last name, country, address, city, state, zip. All of these things will be required to claim unclaimed money. Driver's license, date of birth, social security number, all those things will be needed. Here it says, why did you search for unclaimed property? You can put in any whatever fits your whichever one fits you best. If your name was listed in the newspaper, you received a claim form to your employer, a claim form was mailed to your address, whichever one fits you the best. So you just click here. I'm just going to click A. Your name was listed in the newspaper, and just say I certify. Now it's not going to allow me to go to the next page because I don't have the information for this business. So once you put in the information and all the information is correct, you will go to the next page, and on the next page it will have all the information that you just filled out on this page in a form, and you can print that form out, sign it, mail it to the address that they provide to you on their form, and it normally takes maybe a month for them to contact you, just to make sure all your information is correct. They might ask you other questions. I think they may ask you previous addresses that you may have lived in, so you might want to have that information available to you. But once you do this and you fill out the form, you print it, mail it out, and I think within a month and a half or so, you will receive your check. So let's try a new search. And let's put in Carter. Do the security challenge. So as you can see, we have several Carters in several cities, different cities. So I'm going to click Carter. I clicked Carter and Stanfield earlier, and I'm just going to click them again because they seem or appear to be a business. So once again, you have holders type, property type, and the amount 6270. I believe this is a business, so we're just going to click business. And once again, you either it's an active business, inactive business. If you are doing it for yourself or someone else, you know to click person, and you just click I certify. So we'll click inactive, so I certify next. And this page will appear again, and you just fill out all the information, make sure it's correct, and once you fill out this form, you click next, you'll go to another page, and as I said before, that page will have all your information already printed out on it, and once you received it, once you have that form, you want to print it out and mail it to the address that they provide to you. So guys, I hope this helped those who are not familiar with the Tennessee Unclaimed process. If you have any questions or concerns about filling out the forms, please feel free to leave your questions below. If you would like for us to do your state treasury, let us know below also. If not, we'll just randomly do another state. I've noticed that Alabama, I've done Alabama in the past, and Alabama is kind of a little more, it's not as simple as doing in Tennessee. So here's the thing I want you guys to make sure you don't miss your name. So we're going to put Carter back in here. So I almost forgot. I know I mentioned in the description, the description on this video that I would show you how not to miss your name. And as you can see, we have, we're going to go to the last page. And as you can see, it's like 434 pages. And as you can see, we have Carter on the last page, 435. And sometimes you have to search the database to make sure you don't miss your name, because a lot of people do. They see it at the front, like, page 1 or page 2, and they don't think to go to page 435 or, 434. It is not Carter's, but you might find your name at the end of the very end of the page on your search. So you want to make sure. I've had situations in the past where I put a person name in, and then thinking that was the only name, that was the first page was the only page to come up for them, and then you go to the last page and you see their name on there also. So just make sure you check. I know that's a lot of pages to check, but it's your money. It's your money, and I know you want it. You want to claim your money, so you just have to have patience and kind of go through each page or just skip to the last page to see if you miss your name. So once again, guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope that it helped those that are not familiar with the process, or those who were kind of hesitant, because you hear about the unclaimed money process all the time, but people never take the time out to search their name. And I've helped people in the past, and don't matter if you 18 or 60, 70. I helped someone that was 70 years old who had a paycheck from a company that they worked for 25, 30 years ago, totaling $530 something. I guess they, sometimes when you quit or you leave a job and you have your last paycheck and you don't never go back to get it, that was their case. They had over $500 waiting for them. And not only that, they had more money from a utility company and, other sources. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope that it helped you guys. And please, continue to search your database and continue to search and search and search. No matter if it's next year after next, 2-3 years from now, continue to search, because your name will pop up. Even if it's not in the database today, it might be in there 3-4 years from now. So please don't forget to share and like our page, and please follow us for future tutorials, information on how to collect money from other sources, insurance companies. I'm going to show you guys. We also have a service that helps people who has faced a foreclosure in the past. In the state of Tennessee only allows you 2 years to claim your excess proceeds. So if that service is something that you are interested in, or you know someone who faced a foreclosure in the last 2 years, please inform them that they do or may have money from their foreclosed sale. We also, for tax sale overages, we show people how to collect their money from tax sale overages. Millions and millions and millions of dollars go unclaimed. So guys, if you know anybody, please let them know that the Access Center can help them with that process. Thank you for watching once again, and look out for our next video. Thank you.